Welcome to my channel. I am Attorney MBLasco. I am a lawyer, a teacher, and a certified public accountant. I have been a lawyer and a teacher since 2009, and I became a certified public accountant in 2004. This channel was created with a goal in mind, and that is to simplify concepts and principles of law for better understanding and for easy memory recall by law students or undergraduate students who are studying law subjects. This channel can also be an avenue for non-law students to learn more about our laws and to appreciate them so that they may apply them in their day-to-day living. So please feel free to learn or relearn in this channel by subscribing to my channel and clicking on that notification bell so that you will be notified if I have new video uploads. Enjoy learning in MBL Classroom.